this is the introduction of web scraping. We will learn to fetch data from the website using request and extract meaningful information using Beautiful Soup library. So, introduction of web scraping. Web scraping is a process of extracting data from the website. We essentially take the structured content written in HTML and CSS and pull out the information that we need without any extra formatting here. To do that in Python, we need two libraries. We will install that using pip install request. It's an S there. Make sure you write that, and Beautiful Soup 4. We'll run it. It will take some time to install both the libraries. For me, these modules are already installed. For you, it will install it. We will import request and we will import BS module and the soup package. So we'll run that, and in order to fetch the data from the website, we just need one line. We'll save it in response, request, get request. So this request, get request will get us all the information of the website. We don't need any more other code of lines. Earlier in Python, it was URL library. The things were complicated. We have to manually open the connection, create the object, and handle step by step everything manually. This request library, it's created by Kenneth Wright. As he said very nicely, request is HTTP for humans, and basically it's as simple as ordering a pizza. Instead of explaining the entire code, we simply just say, okay, when pepperoni pizza please. That's it. So we can check here the response that we got, its status. What's the status of the response? Let's see. 200 perfect, and we can just see the response dot text, what we got, the HTML that we got. So that's the HTML we got. This response, we are going to use Beautiful Soup library and will convert it into searchable structured format. So this response, this output is different from what we got here from response library. This is searchable. I'll take it like, we can just simply type soup dot title. We are referring to HTML tag title, and this is the title of the page. It's as simple as that. Let's talk about Beautiful Soup here. So Beautiful Soup is created by Leonard Richardson. Earlier, the HTML of website were messy. It will have missing tabs, broken. So that would make scraping process very difficult, and code would break very easily. This messy HTML was called soup tag. The soup library, it is designed to handle all that messy structure and make sense of it. Richardson got inspired by Alice Adventure in Wonderland poem, where Beautiful Soup word was used. And my interpretation of this is like beautiful scraping could feel like going down a rabbit hole, but Beautiful Soup will help us make sense of that nonsense. So this is the basis of web scraping. It's basically using these two libraries. We will be continuing in the next tutorial, scrape the actual website, this book to scrape and get information about certain books. We can get names, prices, and all that information. We will do it in next tutorial. So to sum up, the main takeaway is that web scraping can be done in just two simple steps. First, we use request.get to get the actual HTML from the website, and then we pass this information into Beautiful Soup, which change it into something structured and searchable, making it easy to get information that we want. So more tutorials are coming up, guys. Make sure you subscribe and show some love with a like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.